In this video, I want to share a very important lesson with you. The thing is that whenever you want to listen the Holy Quran, what you do, you search in the Google and you want to listen the best reciters of Quran. But what happened when you listen to them? You want to practice like them. Then you make mistakes. I don't want to stop you to listen to them, but listen to them. But first of all, you have to improve your basics. So what you do, first of all, if you don't have knowledge of Tajweed to that level, please read the Quran by simplifying the things, simplifying slowly and without making trying to make beautiful voices. Let me tell you about how you can read. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. And how they read like this. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Now, when you recite like them and you directly want to do that, you cannot achieve and you make mistakes. So be careful, listen to them, but be careful. First of all, learn the basics and try to practice and then make these voices. So please beware of this thing. Don't try to recite like them unless or until you are good with the basics.